In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group emails by conversation in Microsoft Outlook. This is a handy feature that can help you keep your inbox more organized and ensure you never miss a follow-up message in an email thread. To get started, you'll need to access Microsoft Outlook. If you don't already have it open, navigate to the Outlook website using your preferred web browser. Once you're at the Outlook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign in button. Click on this and it will prompt you to enter your email address and password to access your inbox. Make sure you're entering your details correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to look at the top right corner of your screen again. Find and click on the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. This is your gateway to customizing your Outlook interface, and there's a lot you can do here. But for today, we'll focus on email conversation settings. After clicking on settings, the next step is to find the option titled message organization. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, the layout of these settings might slightly differ. If you're having trouble locating it, don't worry, just scan through the options slowly until you find it, as it's usually located under a menu related to mail settings or layout. When you've found the message organization section, look for the option that says show email grouped by conversation. This feature is a game changer if you often find yourself drowning in emails, as it structures your inbox so that all messages from the same thread are neatly compiled together. Once you've selected the option to show emails grouped by conversation, you must save your settings. Often, there's a save button at the bottom of the settings page or near the top right depending on your interface. Make sure to click this to ensure your changes take effect. Nothing is more frustrating than setting something up just right and then discovering it wasn't saved. That's all there is to it. Grouping your emails by conversation in Outlook can make managing your inbox a lot more straightforward. Each email thread is bundled, allowing for easier tracking of ongoing discussions. This can be particularly useful in both professional environments where multiple messages can easily get lost, and personal settings where keeping conversations organized is crucial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy emailing,